In the early 20th century, the concept of death was considered absolute and irreversible. However, one scientist dared to challenge this notion. Robert E. Cornish, an American biochemist, embarked on a groundbreaking experiment to reverse the process of death. This script will delve into the fascinating story of Cornish's death reversal experiment and its implications on the scientific community. Cornish's experiment was based on the idea that death is not a single event, but rather a process that occurs over time. He hypothesized that if the body's cells could be preserved and revitalized after death, it might be possible to restore life. Cornish's approach involved the use of a specially designed machine that could rapidly cool and oxygenate the body after death. The Reanimator machine was a complex device that used a combination of cold temperatures, oxygenation, and electrical stimulation to revive the body's cells. The machine was designed to slow down the metabolic process, allowing the body's cells to survive for longer periods without oxygen. Cornish's machine was a precursor to modern-day life support systems, and its design laid the foundation for future research in the field. Before attempting to revive human subjects, Cornish tested the Reanimator machine on animals. He used dogs and cats in his experiments, and the results were astonishing. In some cases, the animals were revived and able to function normally after being clinically dead for several minutes. The success of the animal trials gave Cornish the confidence to move on to human subjects. Cornish's human trials were met with both excitement and skepticism. He obtained permission from the authorities to conduct the experiment on a condemned prisoner who was scheduled to be executed. The prisoner, Thomas McMonigal, was placed in the Reanimator machine after his execution by lethal gas. The results of the experiment were nothing short of miraculous. McMonigal's body was revived, and he was able to breathe and move on his own. However, the revival was short-lived, and McMonigal eventually succumbed to the effects of the lethal gas. The results of Cornish's experiment sparked both amazement and controversy. While some hailed the experiment as a groundbreaking achievement, others raised concerns about the ethics of reviving the dead. The experiment also raised questions about the nature of death and the possibility of an afterlife. Cornish's work challenged the conventional wisdom of the time and paved the way for future research into the mysteries of life and death. Robert E. Cornish's death reversal experiment was a pioneering study that pushed the boundaries of medical science. While the experiment was ultimately unsuccessful in achieving its goal of permanent revival, it laid the foundation for future research into the nature of death and the possibility of reviving the deceased. Cornish's work continues to inspire and fascinate people to this day, and his legacy serves as a reminder of the importance of innovation and experimentation in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. The story of Robert E. Cornish's death reversal experiment serves as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the importance of exploring the unknown. As we continue to push the boundaries of medical science and explore the mysteries of life and death, we would do well to remember the pioneering work of Robert E. Cornish and the important lessons that can be learned from his remarkable experiment.